mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 11, 2024, Wednesday Racing. 7 races, umpisa ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. Race 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1,200 at yung huling dalawang karera, race 6 at 7, 1,400 meter distance. Race number 1, first choice number 2, Sky Plus. Second choice number 3, Ariana. Race 2, first choice number 7, Bantay Sarado. Second choice number 1, King Wasco. Race 3, first choice number 2, Lady of Peace. Second choice number 3, Auspicious. Race 4, only choice number 1, Sonic Clay. Race 5, only choice number 8, Golden Opportunity. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 1, Animo Lasal. Second choice number 10, Dugong Bughaw. Third choice number 2, Hang Loose. Race 7, last race, race na may Super 6. So meron na po yung aking paboritong event. First choice, number 5, Lucky Julian. Second choice, number 7, Strice Sun. Third choice, number 4, Memory of the Sun. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!